Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. A man who was very easily angered realized after many years that all his life he had been in difficulties because of this tendency. One day he heard of a dervish with deep knowledge, whom he went to see asking for advice. The dervish said, "Go to such and such a crossroads. There you will find a withered tree. Stand under it and offer water to every traveler who passes that place." The man did as he was told. Many days passed and he became well known as one who was following a certain discipline of charity and self-control under the instruction of a man of real knowledge. One day, a man in a hurry turned his head away when he was offered the water and went on walking along the road. The man, who was easily angered, called out to him several times, "Come, return, my friend, have some of this water which I provide for all travelers." But there was no reply. Overcome by his behavior, the first man forgot his discipline completely. He reached out for his gun, which was hooked in the withered tree, took aim at the heedless traveler, and fired. The man fell dead. At the very moment the bullet entered his body, the withered tree, as if by a miracle, burst joyfully into blossom. The man who had been killed was a murderer on his way to commit the worst crime of his long career. There are, you see, two kinds of advisors. The first kind is the one who tells what should be done according to certain fixed principles, repeated mechanically. The other kind is the man of knowledge. Those who meet the man of knowledge will ask him for moralistic advice and will treat him as a moralist, but what he serves is truth, not pious hopes.